Of you asked to tell how to create a ATS resume. So first we need to know what is ATS. ATS is automated tracking system. So generally what happened in multinational companies in MNC, they have a tracking system through which their tracking system tracks each go through each of the resume, and then the tracking system select few of them by giving numbering to each of the resume. So they rank the resumes, and after that in the same order the HR gives the call or send the emails to the respective person. So how we can create a ATS resume so that our resume also gets selected in the multinational company. So first thing we need to remember is like formatting. So formatting, what do you mean by formatting is like we use simple fonts. We can use like Times New Roman, Arial, or Calibri or something simple. We don't need to use very much cursive fonts. Then one more thing, like please see to it that you don't use images in the resume. If you're creating a resume for ATS based resume, if you're creating, then. And also one thing you need to remember, please don't use the columns to mention your, like whenever you mention this college, you mention in two columns or three columns. So please don't use that. Instead you can simply write the education as I have shown in the previous resume. Okay, so this comes for formatting. Now second thing you need to remember is for section heading. Please mention your standard section heading. Standard section heading means please write it as experience only, education as education only, summary as summary, and skill as skill. Don't mention something unique. Try to mention something unique, because system is not going to recognize that. And the third thing you can do is like keywords. So what generally basically what happen and is the whenever resume is scanned by the ATS system, resume check with the job description. If job description is matched with the job description keywords are present in the resume, then it gets selected, and at least 75% of the keywords need to be there in your resume as per mentioned in the job description. So basically, so don't start using like one keyword many times. Like sales word is there, so use 50 times sales only. So through that what will happen, for sure you are going to beat the ATS system, but you are not going to beat the HR team. So please don't do that also. Then please don't use short form. In a sense, I can say some people write their designation as SD. Now SD stand for Salesforce developer also, and for the software developer also. So SD system cannot recognize what is SD. It can be taken as both the things, so better to write as a Salesforce developer or a software developer. And the fifth thing is like please try to save it your file in a format like PDF, doc file. Yes, and yeah, that's a few things that is necessary for ATS based resume. So I think that is going to help you all. Thank you.